I'm Marla, one of the Identity's spokesperson, welcoming you to this week's video. First up is a St. Bede's cheerleading uniform, with applique lettering and a paw print. For Alta Equipment Company, we did an embroidered logo on a shirt. This backpack is personalized with a name. For Blend Designs, we embroidered a patch which is to be sewn onto a jacket. For J&T Welding, we embroidered a left front logo on a shirt. We did this Marquete Academy logo on a jacket. An embroidered sweatshirt for Monte's Riverside Inn, features a wine glass embroidered on the front, and full embroidery on its back, highlighting the restaurant's wine patio. NCAT's logo is embroidered on a quarter-zip fleece pullover. We have several items for the Starved Rock Yacht Club, starting with a left front design on a quarter-zip sweatshirt. Another design for the club is a split design on a vest. I think this looks pretty sharp, don't you? A shirt for Wallace Warriors basketball was embroidered on the right front. Ziebart of Ottawa had an embroidered logo put on a jacket. Prints start off with front and back designs for Dresden Generation Station's latest refuel outage. Deer Park School has several different designs on sweatshirts, including prints on the sleeves. Here, we change it up a little bit. You can see a set of posters, sublimated with scenes from a honeymoon trip. Another sublimation piece is a star Christmas tree ornament, made for a school choir member. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I'd sure like to see one of your t-shirts, hoodies, or whatever, featured in an upcoming video. See you soon.